but our dignity as South African has been provoked. It's not now. From the first day when white people came to this country, it's happening in the province where the white people arrived, where the white people have murdered abantu abaningi more than what we see in Palestine. What happened in that province, if we can take the history back, these people, they are not willing to back down. We are not apologetic as Umkhonto weSizwe when we say this Roman Dutch law, it's compromising us. It's not for us. Where everyone is a suspect. Even a murderer who kills in front of everybody in a tavern, tomorrow will turn a suspect, not a murderer, for a certain period. These rights, ebanikezana zona labelungu, a right yokuthi angayenzi DNA. While if bekumuntu omnyama, some rights were going to be infringed. So this law is biased. So we are not yet equal before the law. And at the end of the day, sesizithola sebunzimeni sabo baba. Today, if umama agula kumela esibhedlela sekumela acabanga ukuthi ngiyoshiya ubaba umntana wami uyogezwa ubani nobaba sekasaba ukugeza umntana wakhe ngoba akazi ukuthi what it's going to happen. And sesiphenduka sesiba yilwane ngenxa yezilwane ezeze South Africa is different to our color.
Yeah.
They may say anything they want to say. Yeah, but into bafika ngayo bafika balethe ubulwane. They were not humans. They were inhuman. They killed our forefathers. Even today, they don't want to surrender them. We are clear as Umkhonto weSizwe when we say this law must be changed. As South Africans, we need to unite, irrespective of which organization we belong. That's page 6 of Umkhonto weSizwe. We don't only recruit members, but we also recruit all these parties to come together. Let's change this law. The law that is not benefiting our people. We can't each and every time, from apartheid time. Ubaba omkhulu wami was killed. And lo muntu loyo was sentenced for 2 years because bulalinje. Ubaba omkhulu wami stole a store, watshontsha a store. Wapwetshwa 15 years during apartheid because of uyisigebengu utshontshela umlungu. So ayiphi into ezothichinchi. Ayiphi into ezothichinchile kulezi zinto lezi esizibonayo day in and day out. All these organizations ezikhona ezifuna ukuvotela ezihamba zingena house to house zithini ngalomthetho. As Umkhonto weSizwe we are clear ukuthi lo mthetho u-wrong. And this law must be changed. The Rome is not a South African, it's not even an African law, it's not even an Egyptian law, because there were laws in Egypt, there were laws in Ethiopia, but it's a Roman Dutch law. Our history has been captured, our history has been changed, our science has been changed. We can't even produce anything while Polpenio Kala produces Africa. But no African, even South African amongst us, even those in parliament from the president downward, because of this law. So it's an eye-opener. We must make it a point to we challenge this law, we challenge justice. And we need justice for Ukwetwe. Maibu, yeah!
Yeah, Africa!